Open your minds, explorers. Today we'll uncover 5 outstanding O words together. The image explains the word obese as someone who is very overweight. It shows a boy with a big body, helping kids understand that being obese means having too much weight. The image explains the word obey as doing what you are told. It shows a traffic light and 2 kids helping children understand that obeying rules like traffic lights keeps everyone safe. The image explains the word obeisance as a small bow to show respect. It shows a girl bowing in front of her parents with folded hands, helping kids understand that obeisance means greeting someone politely. The image explains the word obfuscate as making something unclear or confusing. It shows a boy covering his eyes and a scribble above his head, helping kids understand that obfuscation means it's hard to understand something. The image explains the word Obelus as a special symbol used in math. It shows the division sign and tells kids that this symbol means dividing things in mathematics. And that's the end of our O words. Prepare yourself because powerful P words are coming next. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and support us with a smile.